Then second method of estimation is precise estimation by Buckingham's equation. Precise estimation of effective load by Buckingham's equation. Okay. Now, by considering here Buckingham's equation for dynamic load PD, okay, so your precise estimation of effective load will be P effective is equal to CS CM PT plus PD, where PD is nothing but a dynamic load, and dynamic load by Buckingham's equation you have to find by considering this formula. PD is equal to, for bevel gear, PD is given by 21 V in bracket CEB plus PT max divided by 21 V plus under root CEB plus PT max. Okay, here PT max we are taking because in actual practice the tangential force fluctuates, okay, and because of the running of prime mover, so that's why we are always considering here all factors. Okay, so PT max is nothing but CS CM PT. Okay, so CS is application factor, then load distribution factor into tangential load. So by using this you can find PD, and you have to substitute this value of PD here to get P effective. Okay, so this is the precise estimation of dynamic load by Buckingham's equation. Now here C is nothing but deformation factor or dynamic factor. Okay, so C is given by, C is equal to 11,500, or sometimes in some books it is written as 11,400 also, 11,500 Newton per mm square for steel pinion and steel gear. For steel pinion and steel gear. Okay, C is equal to 8900 Newton per mm square for cast iron pinion and cast iron gear. Cast iron pinion and cast iron gear, and C is equal to 10,000 Newton per mm square for steel pinion and cast iron gear. Okay, so according to the material of the gear pair you have to select the value of C, deformation factor. Now E is nothing but pitch errors. Sum of pitch error means EP plus EG. Sum of pitch errors in mm you have to substitute here E. Okay, and E is nothing but EP plus EG. The formulas for E pitch error is same as we have already discussed in spur gear and helical gear also. Only the tolerance factor, okay, you have to substitute whenever you are finding E, the tolerance factor 5P you have to put as m plus 0.25 under root. Now here dp was there, or dp or dp or dg. Okay, so in that you have to put here 2 times rm, okay, mean radius. So this will be the difference. The remaining all formulas will be same. So actually these are the formulas for E, pitch error. Okay, according to IT grade, and according to IT grade the different formulas for pitch error is given here. Pitch error in microns. Okay, so here for IT grade 12, for IT grade 12 to here IT up to IT grade 1. Okay, all these formulas are there. Now here in case of spur and helical gear we have seen here 5P in this formula. In this formula 5P tolerance factor we have written as m plus 0.25 under root d. Okay, for spur and helical. But if the bevel gear is there, so for bevel gear your 5P will be, 5P is tolerance factor. Okay, 5P is equal to 0 m plus 0.25 under root. Now instead of diameter only you have to put here mean diameter, or mean diameter is nothing but 2 times rm, mean radius. Okay, so this will be the only change you have to put. Yeah, so these are the formulas for pitch error also. Thank you.